Ever wondered about starting your own dropshipping business? Well, you're not alone. Dropshipping has become a popular business model in recent years. It's a method of e-commerce where the retailer doesn't keep goods in stock, but instead transfers the customer orders and shipment details to either the manufacturer, another retailer, or a wholesaler who then ships the goods directly to the customer. It's a brilliant way to dive into the world of e-commerce without the need for significant upfront investment. It also offers flexibility in terms of location and time, making it a perfect fit for aspiring entrepreneurs. This video will guide you through the ins and outs of setting up a successful dropshipping business. We'll discuss everything from understanding the basics, finding your niche, choosing a supplier, setting up your online store, and marketing your business. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of dropshipping, keep watching. Before we delve into the process, it's essential to understand the basics of dropshipping. Dropshipping at its core is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party, typically a wholesaler or manufacturer, who then ships the product directly to the customer. As a result, the retailer never sees or handles the product. The three key players in any dropshipping model are the retailer or the dropshipper, the supplier, and the customer. The dropshipper is the intermediary between the supplier and the customer. Their primary role is to market the product, manage sales, and provide customer service. The supplier, on the other hand, handles the inventory and shipment of the product. The customer buys the product from the dropshipper's online store and receives the product directly from the supplier. One of the main advantages of dropshipping is that you don't need a lot of capital to get started. You don't need to invest heavily in inventory, and you only purchase a product when you've made a sale and have been paid by the customer. This makes dropshipping a great business model for aspiring entrepreneurs who are on a budget. But like any business model, dropshipping also has its challenges. One of the most significant challenges is finding reliable suppliers who can deliver high-quality products on time. Another challenge is the low margin, as dropshipping is highly competitive. You'll need to find ways to add value to your customers to stand out from the competition. Plus, since you don't have control over the supply chain, you might face issues like product shortages or shipping delays, which can tarnish your brand's reputation. Therefore, it's crucial to choose your suppliers carefully and maintain excellent customer service to handle any issues that may arise. Now that we have a clear understanding of the basics, it's time to get started. The first step in starting a dropshipping business is finding a profitable niche. This is the cornerstone of your venture, the foundation on which everything else is built. So, how do you find a profitable niche? It's all about market research. You need to understand what products are in demand, what's trending, and what's not. Start by identifying your interests and passions. This will not only make your journey more enjoyable, but it will also give you an edge when it comes to understanding your customers' needs. Then look at market trends. Use tools like Google Trends or social media platforms to gauge what's popular. However, don't just follow the crowd. Find the perfect balance between popularity and uniqueness. You want to find a niche that's popular, but not so saturated that you'll be lost in the crowd. Finally, understand your customer. Know their wants, needs, and expectations. This knowledge will be invaluable when you're choosing products and crafting your marketing strategies. Once you've identified a niche, it's time to find a supplier. Choosing the right supplier can make or break your dropshipping business. This statement carries more weight than you might think. The supplier you choose to partner with will not only influence the quality of the products you sell, but also the efficiency of your order fulfillment process. So how do you choose a reliable supplier? First and foremost, research is key. Spend time investigating potential suppliers. Check their reputation, read reviews, and dig into their track record. A supplier with a history of satisfied customers is a good sign, but remember, everyone has off days. So don't be too quick to write off a supplier based on one negative review. Next, consider the supplier's product range. Does it align with your niche? You'd want a supplier that can provide a wide variety of products within your chosen niche. This diversity allows you to offer your customers more choices and increases the chances of them finding something they love. But it's not just about product range and reputation. Communication is another critical factor. A good supplier should be easy to contact and quick to respond. Remember, you'll be working closely with them, so open and effective communication is crucial. Now let's talk about order fulfillment. Your supplier needs to be able to fulfill orders promptly and accurately. This ability is critical to your business's success. After all, no one likes waiting ages for their order, only to receive the wrong item. Lastly, consider the price point. While you certainly don't want to skimp on quality, you need to ensure the supplier's prices allow you to make a profit. Remember, the goal is to find a balance between cost and quality. Building a good relationship with your supplier can also pay dividends down the line. It can lead to better prices, priority order fulfillment, and even exclusive products. All in all, remember that choosing a supplier isn't a decision to be taken lightly. It's a critical step in building your dropshipping business. But with careful research and consideration, you'll find the right partner. With a reliable supplier at hand, you're ready to set up your online store. Scene script. Setting up an online store is easier than you think. So, you've found your niche and chosen your supplier. The next step is to get your online store up and running. This is your customer's first impression of your business, so it's crucial to get it right. Firstly, you'll need to choose a platform for your store. There's a multitude of options out there, from Shopify to WooCommerce and BigCommerce. Each platform has its own set of strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your business needs and technical abilities. Shopify, for instance, is user-friendly and ideal for beginners, whereas WooCommerce offers more customization options but may require some technical know-how. Once you've chosen a platform, the next step is to register a domain name. This is the web address where customers can find your online store. It should be short, memorable, and relevant to your business. You can register your domain name through various online services such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. Just type in your desired name, and if it's available, you can purchase it for a yearly fee. Now let's move on to creating your website. This involves designing your store's look and feel, organizing your products, and setting up payment and shipping options. Most platforms offer a variety of templates to get you started. Choose one that reflects your brand's style and is easy for customers to navigate. Add high-quality photos of your products along with detailed descriptions and prices. Set up secure payment options such as credit card processing and PayPal. Lastly, determine your shipping rates and policies. Remember, your online store is the virtual face of your business. It should be inviting, easy to navigate, and provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Don't rush this process. Take the time to test everything and ensure it works smoothly. Now that your online store is ready, it's time to attract customers. Marketing is the key to attracting customers and growing your dropshipping business. Let's dive into some marketing strategies that can propel your business to the next level. First on the list is search engine optimization, or SEO. This is all about making your online store more visible in search engine results. When your store appears in the top results for relevant search terms, you're more likely to attract potential customers. To optimize for SEO, you'll want to use relevant keywords throughout your website, write engaging product descriptions, and create a blog with valuable content to attract and retain customers. Next, let's talk about social media marketing. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are great places to showcase your products and interact with customers. Regularly post engaging content, respond to comments and messages, and consider running paid ads to reach a wider audience. Remember, social media is not just about selling. It's about building relationships with your audience. Now, onto email marketing. Building an email list gives you a direct line of communication with your customers. You can use this to inform them about new products, special offers, or simply to share valuable content. The trick here is to offer something of value in exchange for their email address. This could be a discount on their first order, or access to exclusive content. Lastly, consider influencer marketing. This involves partnering with social media influencers who can promote your products to their followers. This can be a highly effective way to reach a larger audience and boost sales. Remember, marketing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. You'll need to test different strategies, track your results, and adjust your approach based on what works best for your business and your audience. With effective marketing strategies, you're on your way to running a successful dropshipping business.